Good morning and welcome to today's Market Outlook. My name is Edmund. So we started Monday on a relatively quiet note with movement and participation in the markets relatively muted as the US was on a bank holiday. And of course, on Tuesday, markets returned and we did see a lot of volatility on the US dollar index together with major currency pairs and also gold prices. So for yesterday, the US dollar strengthened from a support level of 93.025 all the way to a high of about 93.545 levels. So this was possibly in response to the news that negotiations for the ongoing 2.2 trillion financial stimulus aid between the Democrats and Republicans made no progress, and therefore the US dollar did strengthen considerably yesterday. Okay, most important to note that the US dollar strengthened in the lead up to the bullish move of the US dollar. The US dollar has been finding support at 93.025 levels on last Friday. Okay, so that is on Monday. Okay, so let us move on to the economic calendar for today. Again, it is a relatively quiet economic calendar with industrial production numbers coming at 5 p.m. and core producer price index data at 8:30 p.m. The UK's MPC, Monetary Policy Committee member, Haldane, will be speaking at 9 p.m. And at 9 p.m. from the US, FOMC members, Richard Clarida, will be speaking, followed by at 10:30 p.m. Mr. Quarles will be speaking at 10:30 p.m. So let us have a quick look at what's happening for the UK pound. The UK pound weakened yesterday as the UK returned to lockdown, and of course the Brexit negotiations deadline is approaching on the 15th of October. A minor data which was announced from the UK yesterday at 2 p.m. Unemployment rates jumped to 4.5% versus market forecast of 4.3%. Okay, so having a look at the UK pound chart, let's just move on to the MetaTrader 4. So again, the UK pound also found resistance at 1.3066 before pushing down at about the major push was at 1400 plus 5, 1900 hours from 1.3053 all the way down to 1.2924. So the UK pound weakened 129 pips from 7 p.m. local Singapore time onwards. So moving on to the euro dollar. Euro dollar also had a similar behavior, weakening as early as 8 a.m. yesterday local Singapore Malaysia time from a high of 1.1812 all the way to a low of 1.1730. The euro dollar dropping 81 pips. Moving on to gold prices. Gold prices, again, after having come from a bullish move and after consolidating on a Monday, on Tuesday itself, morning session, it was dropping, and towards the US trading sessions at about 8 p.m., the gold prices dropped from 1,923 all the way to yesterday's low of 1,886, and this morning it touched a low of 1,882 levels. So gold prices dropped about $41.60 throughout the last 24 hours. So again, we could be watching for a tight range today, and I believe markets will start to get active again shortly. So for the US dollar index, we are looking yesterday, we are again the support levels of 93.02, and the next target price below is 92.76. But in the 1 hour charts, as the US dollar was strengthening throughout the day, we do see the resistance currently at 93.57 levels. If it does manage to strengthen, the next target prices will be at 93.94 levels. Okay, so so that would be the market updates for today. Markets are still pretty much active and volatile as it always has been, and I hope you guys have a good trading day ahead. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next market updates. Thank you, take care, and good trading.